Welcome to Cooking in Quarantine with Kathleen. Today we will be making pizza quesadillas. Let's get started. First, you will need 2 tortillas, cheese of your choice, pepperoni, cooking spray, a pan, a cutting board, a plate, a knife, and a spatula that is not shown. First, grease your pan away from an open flame. Then, turn your stove on to medium heat. Add your tortilla and cheese, then pepperoni and a little more cheese on top. Add your final tortilla and wait 1 to 2 minutes. Then flip. Cut your tortilla into as many pieces as you'd like. Then enjoy! Thank you for watching and have a good day.